Hello, my name is Moto. Let's riding around the city. Hey, wait up! We need to stop for a moment. What's wrong? I noticed you were driving recklessly on the road. It endangers yourself and others.